Come on, you bananas, close ranks.
We're bunched up behind you, Riff-Raff.
Be of good cheer, like Wordsworth is here.
I better hurry, or Riff-Raff will bail on me.
Come on, time to party hardy.
Who's this hardy guy, Riff?
If those guys don't shape up, I'm gonna have to put my foot down.
Hey, no cats in the carnival. Now beat it.
No cats. Can you believe that? Ooh! Ooh!
Anyone else want a free ride?
I'd like a free ride on the merry-go-round.
You like Geldof?
You okay?
I'm breathing, ain't I? Help me out of this. I need a hand. I hope this wild urge to clap your hands stems from your newfound love of Spanish music and not a desire to humiliate your leader.
Like Jose, okay?
That's better. We're going back as soon as it closes. And we're taking Cleo, too. She loves the carnival.
Night, boys. Big day tomorrow. Sounds like it's Bruno time, huh, Geldof? Easy, boy. Papa's coming. Release Bruno.
A bit to the left. Ah, there. Hit me with your best shot.
Whoa! Get your own Cleo!
Watch out!
It's hard to soar with eagles when you hang around with turkeys.
Look out, son. Here I come.
Cleo, Mr. Good Time is here.
You like what you see?
You're the best looking thing on four legs, baby.
Uh-oh, it's Bush.
Things are gonna get hairy for Bush.
Cleo, I thought I told you to keep Riff-Raff out of the store. Now get out.
Fetch. Come on, baby. We're going out. Entree-fou.
Wait for me!
I wonder what the future has in store for me.
I am your future.
Oh, Riffy.
We'll make beautiful music together. Live in a big mansion.
Uh-oh.
Have a swimming pool, servants, and...
What you doing here, fool?
Nice doggy. Good doggy.
We're leaving or we're grieving.
Riff-Raff!
Relax, sweetie. This'll only take a sec. Hey, dummy, I'm in here. Just hit the bullseye and give the beefcake a bath.
Throw a sinker at the stinker.
Who do you think you're talking to? This is ice water, fool!
That ought to cool him off.
It would be neat to have one of those dolls.
I'll get you one, Cleo.
You gotta win it, dingbat.
Step this way, win a pal for your down. A cupie for your cutie.
So, they snuck in just the same.
Get me out!
It's stuck. I better get the boss.
Hurry! I'm freezing!
Now watch closely. It's all in the paw.
And he wins a baby for his lady.
Nice going, Slick.
10 out of 10. Riff-Raff strikes again.
Let's go on some rides.
Can't, they're turned off. They're cooking now.
I want to go on the merry-go-round.
Let's take a twirl on the tilt-a-whirl.
How about... I'm thinking Tunnel of Love, but it's lady's choice.
I like the killer corkscrew. But won't the noise wake up the carny?
Nah, not a chance.
Bruno, my poor baby. Who did this?
Help! Hide somewhere while I distract them. I saw Lassie do this once.
Lock these two up, then get the girl and the stupid one. I'm going after the ringleader.
You are gone, cats!
Another fine mess Riff-Raff's gotten us into.
I've got to go on a diet. Well, howdy, Pilgrim. Uh-oh.
You? How did that get there? Which way did he go?
Cleo, where are you, baby?
Looking for your precious? We've got all your friends.
Come back here, you weasel. Now, there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a haunted house. Oh, no! What a night! Talk about a guy with nothing upstairs. Beats, don't fail me now. Oof! Ooh. I love being around show people, but this is ridiculous.
Get us off of here. I get air sick.
Cleo, Mungo, Wordsworth, Hector, where are...
Here, over here.
The bullet.
Thanks, Riff-Raff.
Where'd they stash Cleo?
When you're finished chewing the fat, would you get me out of here?
A damsel in distress. My kind of action.
What took you so long?
You say the sweetest things. Relax, baby. Sorry, guys, but this tub is a two-seater.
Ain't a night at the carnival romantical?
Ain't it, though?